Funding for Peppa Pig is made possible by the following.
Spring into Chuck E. Cheese with me! Because right now, you can...
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Now just 1 point to play at Chuck E. Cheese, where a kid can be a kid.
State alert tone. The National Weather Service and tornado warning in November 27, 2025. Tornado watch warning and action rain warning in Hawaii and North Carolina and New Jersey. And until 9 a.m. morning Eastern Standard Time and 56 minutes. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. EAS in USA, Chicago, Illinois. And by Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And by contributions to PBS station for viewers like you. Thank you.
Peppa Pig. PBS Kids.
A PBS kid says thank you.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the help.
Thanks, Nature Cat. Oh, thank you, Daniel.
Thank you for your understanding.
Word of the week, word of the week, PBS Kids word of the week. The word of the week is audience, a group of people who watch or listen to something together, like a rock band. Audience, it's the word of the week.